Hello internet people. You've probably noticed that when you type in any URL in your browser that it adds the HTTP in front of it. But what is the HTTP definition and how does it work? Well, that's what I'm going to explain to you in this video. Tips with punch. Alright, so what is HTTP? Well, it stands for HyperText Transfer Protocol. Let's break it down. What is hypertext? Hypertext is just some text that contains links to other text. Yes, it's that simple, and it's old school stuff as it was invented in the 60s. Woohoo, let's form a hypertext. HTTP is a protocol which describes how hypertext should be transferred, and it is a backbone of the internet, as internet is just infinite web of links. The protocol is based on client-server communication. For example, when you, the client, request a YouTube homepage, by typing the URL in your browser, you get the response from YouTube, the server, with the information you've requested. HTTP is the messenger in all of this.
Come on, don't me.
Both your request and response have to obey HTTP protocol, which has very concise and specific rules. Long story short, HTTP is a set of strict communication rules so that both the client and server understand each other. In case you get all rebellious and you don't follow the rules, you will get something like this. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and let me know if you have any questions down below. Okay, I kept this video super high level. If you want deeper understanding about this topic, check out the top video. That video really dives into details. If you're interested in learning more about HTTPS, click on the second video. And give me a fist bump and subscribe.